Hi there guys, in this video, I will show you how to make these type of slides in Canva. But first make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon. So let's start. Open a blank slide in Canva. Go to upload your image for the background. Go to apps, then search for blur. Click on this first frame blur app. Open it, select the image we had added in our slide. Click edit image. Give it the particle blur here. Next, we will move this brush over our entire slide. Wait for it. Click on Save as a copy option and hit the Save button. Now wait a few seconds for it go to Uploads. There must be a blurred image right here in the Uploads. Add this image in your slide. Remove the already added image from your slide and make sure that this new image covers your entire slide. Go to Elements. Search for Rectangle. Scroll to Frames option and select this rounded cornered rectangle frame. Add this in your slide. Click on Effect and give it a drop shadow. Change direction, offset, and transparency 1 by 1. As I have done now, duplicate your frame about 4 times and put them next to each other. 1 by 1. Decrease their spaces. Go to Uploads and add same image in all of the shapes. Adjust all the images 1 by 1 so we can make up a bigger image for background. If you liked this tutorial, make sure to subscribe.